This is me showing you how to put a YouTube video in SwiftUI. So first things first, you're going to open up Xcode, create an app and call it YouTube Embed. Yes, I'm going to replace it. And then first things first, we're going to do open and then new and then file, Swift file, and then we're going to have it called video view. Get rid of the foundation, we don't need that. SwiftUI, and then import web kit struct video view, not that view, and UI representable. And make sure you don't forget your curly brackets. We need those. Then type in struct video view and then string. No, not video view, I'm sorry. ID. And then string.
Have I moved my computer camera?
It's fine.
We don't.
That actually looks good.
Oh, it's supposed to be wet. I got it mixed up, I'm sorry.
So we just cut out the intro.
And then we're going to have it func make, and then just hit enter. WK web view, and then code return WK web view. Just right here, just type that in. Just making sure just everything works well. And then make sure that's there. And then after that, we're going to have everything else working here. Then we're going to do func update. Yep. Make sure everything's right. Yep. And then for the code, we're going to get rid of that. Guard. Let YouTube URL equal. Now it's just making sure SwiftUI processes the URL that we're going to put in. Equal, and then string HTTPS YouTube.com/embed // that like that, and then video ID, and then make sure you end parentheses, and then space else, and then curly brackets return. And then that. UI view dot scroll view dot is
Or we could just
scroll
not do it.
enabled equals false, and then UI dot load, and then parentheses URL, and then request, and then another parentheses inside the parentheses URL, and then you're gonna put what we put right here. So YouTube URL, UI view. I forgot to finish that. Now we're gonna go in the content view.
Imagine not having one person speak and one person type, so you have to sit there and fumble through it. You're sitting on the back, like you're laughing as we try to fumble through it.
Video view
That's what I'm worried about.
parentheses. So video view, and then now we're gonna type in video ID, and then now we're gonna type in the end numbers and letters to the YouTube video. So make sure you follow along with me. 0 TD, and then 96 VT, and then lowercase f 0XS. We're gonna get rid of the parentheses that I put there. 0 and then S, and then I'd make sure you put quotes around that and parentheses, as I did forget. Yeah. Well. Yeah. No.
Where is that?
There we go. And then we're gonna do dot frame, and then min height. Oh, make sure you do uppercase height. What you're gonna do 0. Now we're just making sure the size of the YouTube video works on the phone. That's what we're doing right now. Max height, and then UI screen.
Yeah, if I can make it bigger than 2 in centimeters, apparently.
Dot main dot bounds, and then dot, not comma, dot height, then asterisk mark 0.3, and then end the parentheses there. You're gonna hit return or enter dot, and then do corner radius, and then get rid of that and then do 12, and then get out of that parentheses, hit return again, and then dot padding. What you're gonna do inside of the parentheses, you are going to type dot, not, dot horizontal, comma 24. Now everything should be well set to go. Let's make sure everything's good. Oh, let me actually go on. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Let's try that again. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that was a video ID that we just put in the red. So make sure, or not to make sure, so that makes the video go into the phone, as we are going to see in a couple of minutes once our phone loads up. There we go. Now you see the YouTube video is now working. Press play and all that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my tutorial on that. And hope you guys have a good day. Goodbye.